Okay, so hello, thanks so much for jumping on this Google Meet with me. My name is Emily. Before we start the session, may I ask you to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Amal Mardia binti Muhammad Izal. I'm from College Metlikasi Johor and I'm taking life science.
Okay, okay, thank you. I know you also swept with your own coursework over at your university, which is Matriculasi Johor.
Yes.
But I really wanted to get an outside perspective for my GAPD 1032, which is the Basic Digital Education Project. I am currently building a learning portfolio uh, website designed to act an open educational resource OER. So I have categorized my tools using the 3E model. The digital tools as 3E model by engage, enhance, and extend. So since you guys use a completely different system at your campus, I wanted to compare notes on how you actually experience digital workflows.
Okay, so no worries at all. Glad we could sync up. This is actually a perfect time because we've been debating how technology is used in our lectures too. Sometimes it feels like professors just throw a bunch of random apps at us just because they're trendy without any real structure. What tools are you anchoring your platform with?
This is actually exactly what I am trying to avoid. So to secure academic rigor, I'm using Google Classroom as my central learning management systems, the LMS encode. But instead of treating it as a boring file dumping ground, just simply put any maybe like assignment, I want to use it for the engage phase of the 3E model. At your university, how do your favorite lecturers use an LMS to actually keep you engaged instead of just passive receiving and learning?
Uh, there's like a massive difference when they actually use it dynamically. The best modules are the ones where the LMS stream is alive, like when the lecturer posts real-time discussion threads, dynamic exit tickets, or anonymous peer review boards right after a lecture. It creates a structured routine and it forces us to track our own progress and interact with our peers, which shifts us from just sitting there staring at screen to actually taking ownership of the digital space.
Yes, that perfectly aligns with the relationship and rigor aspect of the 3R framework I am analyzing. Okay, so to supercharge that, I have paired Google Classroom with Padlet on my side. Google Classroom handles the rigid administrative side, grades, deadlines, resources, while Padlet acts as our messy open visual canvas where we drop live ideas and critique each other work simultaneously. Yeah. So do you think pairing a structured LMS with an open tool like Padlet reflects how modern digital teams operate?
Absolutely, because that's exactly how project workflows happen in the real world. Padlet allows for the chaotic, creative brainstorming phase where everyone can visually collaborate without boundaries. Then, once the ideas are refined, Google Classroom is where you organize, package, and submit the final polished product. Combining them stops technology from being a superficial gimmick and turns it into a functional pipeline for group work.
Yes, exactly. We could just randomly pick it up and hand in into the Google Classroom. So that's completely defends the enhancement theory of the 3E model where technology makes complex collaborative tasks easier to execute. Hearing how another university navigates these digital workflows give me excellent validation for my website layout. Thanks for the awesome chat and this interview section. This was incredibly helpful. Thank you.
Anytime. Good luck with your website submission. It sounds like it's going to be incredibly solid.
Okay, so thank you, Amal.